In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trim video in Clipchamp. 5 minutes. Let's get you into Clipchamp first. Open your browser and head to clipchamp.com. If you're on a Windows computer, you can also launch the Clipchamp app that comes with Microsoft's suite. On the landing page, if you see the option to sign in, go ahead and click it. When the sign-in choices appear, choose Continue with Microsoft, then select your Microsoft account to proceed. After you're signed in, you'll land on the Clipchamp home screen. From here, start a new project by choosing Create a New Video. This opens the editor with a blank timeline and a media panel. To bring in your footage, click Import Media and locate your video file, or simply drag it into the media panel. Once it's imported, add the clip to your timeline by dragging it down or using the on-screen add controls. Now let's trim. Click to select your clip on the timeline, hover near the beginning or end of the clip until you see a bracket icon appear. That bracket is the trim handle. Click and drag the handle inward to remove unwanted moments from the start or the end. Watch the preview as you drag so you land exactly where you want. A helpful tip: zoom into the timeline for finer control and make sure snapping is on to align with the playhead cleanly. For a precise cut in the middle of your clip, first position the playhead on the exact frame you want. This is your selected frame. You can drag the playhead or use the keyboard arrows to nudge frame by frame for accuracy. With the playhead in place, click the scissors icon to split the clip at that point. You'll now have two separate pieces. Select the portion you no longer need and press delete to remove it from the timeline. If your delete leaves a space between clips, simply click delete this gap. That will close the space and pull the clips together so your video plays seamlessly. Before you wrap up, play the timeline from a few seconds before your edit to confirm the timing and transitions feel right. If anything isn't perfect, remember you can undo or adjust the trim handles again. Trimming and splitting can be repeated as much as you need until your story flows smoothly. And that's it. You've signed in, created a project, imported your footage, trimmed the ends with the handles, made a precise split at a selected frame, deleted the unwanted section, and closed the gap for a clean result.